In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Sofi referral link. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile icon just like so. Then you want to scroll down and select on the option that says invite friends. And then from here, you are able to go ahead and actually get rewarded for referring people to all of these different features in Sofi. So if you actually do refer someone to banking, then you'll get $75. And if you refer someone to credit score monitoring, that is 10 points. And for loans, it's up to $1,000. So that's honestly pretty cool. So for this video, let's go ahead and actually select on a banking right over here. All right, so let's do this one over here where you get $75 whenever you do refer a friend. But guys, here is the thing. Your friends must fund with a minimum of $50 and they must settle within 21 days. To refer friends, you must have an existing Sofi checking account and savings account. But anyways, guys, once you got that out of the way, you want to go ahead and press on share link right over here. And there you go, guys. You now just got your referral link for Sofi. So you guys can send this to your friends or your family members and stuff like that. And then whenever they do put $50 onto Sofi, you will then get $75 and your friend will also get $25 as well. So I really do love this program because everybody wins, everybody gets money and stuff like that. So I honestly really do like it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.